Hey explorers, it's me again Dee and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna be sharing a part of my home. And as you can see, I'm inside my closet. And for those who are new to this channel, I actually released a video about 2 weeks ago on my house renovation. I was able to improve some parts of the house last year and I shared some snippets and clips on that. And if you guys haven't checked that out, I'll be placing a card right here. And for this video, I will be sharing how I will reorganize this small space in my home. I know this is already organized, but then I decided to reorganize it and declutter some stuff. I'm just a person who loves to declutter and organize things. And if you guys are interested to see that, then stick around and keep on watching.
Laundry day means fresh sheets and lots of clothes to organize. Today, I will try to share how I keep my closet organized. Tip number 1 is to categorize your clothes. I categorize my clothes depending on its use. House clothes, dresses, blouses or tops, pants, shirts, shorts and skirts, and seasonal clothes. I also have activewear, delicate garments, and linens. I normally fold my house clothes, shirts, and activewear and place them in pull-out boxes since I don't have a drawer yet. As for my shirts, I arrange them in a color-coordinated manner. I don't really have a lot of printed shirts. I do have a few statement shirts and I just mixed it with my plain ones. For my house clothes, I fold them in pairs. I choose to do it that way because it saves me time. I don't need to look for a pair. I just pick one and then I'm good. As for my pants, leggings, jeggings, and jeans, I got this hanger which can fit 5 pairs of jeans or pants. It's definitely a space saver. I also hang my blouses, tops, dresses, and skirts. I'm not too strict about arranging them based on sleeve length, but I am particular about arranging them in color, which brings me to my second tip, to separate clothes by color. I love to arrange my clothes by color. It has helped me in deciding my clothes every day. It's easier to match tops and bottoms this way, plus it's pleasing to the eyes.
So my third tip is to keep your seasonal clothes. And as you can see, I have several long sleeve pieces here because I love long sleeve pieces. But I do have some jackets and hoodies right here just in case the weather gets colder. But for the bulkier types of pieces like the bubble jackets, trench coats, and the like, I've already placed them in storage because I don't use them that often. And I also place my swimwear or summer essentials like bikinis, bandanas, one pieces on a separate pull-out box just in case I'll be needing them for a quick beach trip. So I suggest keeping those pieces of clothes on a separate box or in storage to avoid crowding or cluttering your closet.
Tip number 4 is to maintain cleaning my shoes, or in short, just maintaining my shoes. As you have seen, my sneakers are inside my closet. I do have other pairs of footwear, but I have placed them downstairs near the door. So whenever I use one of the sneakers from this stash, I make sure to clean it thoroughly before returning it here. But if I will be using the shoes often, then I don't display it here and I just place them downstairs. My last tip is to let things go. I know it's hard and sometimes we become very sentimental with our things, but there are times when we really have to let go of some stuff to make room for new ones. Maybe you want to live a more minimal lifestyle? Then practice decluttering. I am in no way near a minimalist, but I try to keep my space tidy always.
I hope this video helped you or inspired you to organize your closet. I know I don't have a very fancy closet. I just made use of the small space that I have, and that's okay, and that's what's important. So if you want me to dive deeper into organizing, decluttering, or tidying, then let me know by leaving a comment below. And if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, share if that's something that you like, and if you're still not part of this community, then don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell beside it so you'll get notified whenever there's a new video up on this channel. And I hope to see you on the next one. Keep exploring! Bye!